Peoples of the nations, good evening. For the profit of your souls have we created this presentation. We shall attend to our words as, Halloween and the media, a distinct similarity. It always amazes we ones just how efficient are the humanities in their queer way of disorganizing reality from one portion to the other. In fact, when ye ones make of a hallowed or holy meaning ethical and moral evening while others of you think an evening of ghosts and goblins and witches exist, let us tell you that neither is correct. For your Halloween actually means, the beginning or arising of a holy, meaning, ethical and moral humanity, within universal principle and law, of not an evening but rather the return of the original paradisical system of enlightenment in the light of day, whereby all shall see the fruits of your labor manifest. Only those who wish to demean humanity or specific peoples adhere to the ridiculous adage of Halloween. For those of you with loved ones having transitioned from the physical body from the grave as you call it, are they not called ghosts, and so then do ye ones ridicule them in such manner as to disgrace their very presence in the places beyond, which many of you cannot even remember. Think upon these things ye ones, for the day comes and may be sooner than you expect, when someone may just dress you in black for the mourning procedure upon your own grave, and call you for the misunderstanding of the intentions of your good soul, a ghoul or a horrible witch. And then there are cats. We have noted that many of ye ones have a problem with black cats, grey cats, Siamese cats, furry cats, and all manner of cats of which the larger ones do ye hunt and kill. Whatever your problem with such sacred animals is, leave it please unto yourselves, for your verbium and disgusting behavior toward such fine creations only tune in your vibrations as being of little higher than that of a toad, and of those fine creatures are we also most fond of. This strange tendency of yourn ones goes indeed hand in hand with the programs of certain media, whether be it the mainstream controlled media of slander of an innocent, in the media protecting the cause of the enormous crimes against the peoples or otherwise, having been found out and entering into their private closet of personal effects, or whether alternative media whose reliance in slandering those of their choice also deliberately leave out the intentions of those of whom many wish only the best for the peoples to be learned. In other words, you ones do not separate an agenda or program whether it be of the positive or negative venture from the personal lives of the peoples themselves, and when you do this, calling peoples whom you do not like for your own concern, such inflammatories as reptiles or aliens, for example, and not understanding at all the story of the Hellions, and who they are, and not understanding either that each one of you have been tainted with their DNA, that should someone look in your personal closet, so to speak of yourn life journeyings and your sometimes multiple mistakes, they could surely write a long book on the majority of ye ones, and no sacrificial lamb is going to cover story you on that, for such ones are far above the ordinary human upon this plateau. Have of yourselves a good day, evening, and rest, and please walk before you run into another snag, which may just come barreling down upon your own sometimes wilted heads. Uthrania Seila Sentana-Ries Cortez, a representative of the Federation of Unified and Freed Planetary World Nation.